Instagram has finally added a watch history feature for Reels, so you never lose track of a video you've already seen. Want to learn how it works? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to see your Reels watch history on Instagram. Now let's get started. To access your watch history on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Your Activity. Scroll down and select Watch History. Here you can see all the Reels you've previously watched. You can use the filters at the top to sort your watch history from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. See watch history from a specific date range, or filter by author so you only see videos posted by a specific user. You can remove videos from your watch history by tapping Select in the top right corner, then selecting the videos you want to delete. At the bottom, tap Remove. Then tap Remove in the pop-up window to confirm. That's all it takes to access your Reels watch history on Instagram. Want to learn how to link your Reels together in a series? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.